Wrinkle Bounce Multi-Balm. This is what it looks like. So it almost looks like a big chapstick, but this you can wear before makeup or you can wear it after makeup, and it's an all-over stick to basically help with any wrinkles. So what I'm gonna do is use it on this eye, and I'm just putting it on under. It's not sticky, but it does feel like a balm would. And then I'm gonna use it over here, and then maybe we'll go here as well. There we go. And then I'm just gonna use my fingers to tap that in, but it did really help make things more alert. This is really cool because you can literally use it all over your face, and you can use this after makeup. So I'm gonna use this again after I have some makeup on, but it's neat that you can put it anywhere that you feel like you have maybe some wrinkles to work on eliminating those. So really nice multi-balm stick. I like the packaging. This is great. You're gonna love this.